Need to save what's on your screen? Here's how to take a screenshot on your Mac. We'll show you how to take a screenshot using keyboard shortcuts and how to use the screenshot toolbar with macOS. Let's take a look at the different keyboard shortcuts you can use. First, we'll take a screenshot of the entire screen. Just press Shift-Command-3. When you take a screenshot, it appears as a thumbnail in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you leave it there, it will automatically save to your desktop by default. If you want to take a screenshot of a portion of your screen, press Shift-Command-4. This will turn your pointer into a crosshair. Move it to where you want to start the screenshot, click and drag to select an area and release your trackpad or mouse. You can press the Escape key to cancel before releasing your trackpad or mouse if you've changed your mind. Now let's take a screenshot of a window. To do this, press Shift-Command-4 and then the spacebar. This will change the pointer to a camera. Move the camera over to the window or menu you want to capture, and look for the highlight to confirm that it's selected. Then, click your trackpad or mouse to take the screenshot. Your screenshots will be saved to your desktop. If you also hold Ctrl as you use these shortcuts, they'll save to your clipboard instead. You can also use the screenshot toolbar in addition to keyboard shortcuts. The screenshot toolbar is useful for things like recording your screen and changing your screenshot settings. To open it, press Shift-Command-5. By default, the tools will appear at the bottom of the screen, but you can move them around if you like. You'll find the controls for taking a screenshot on the left-hand side. You can choose to capture the entire screen, a single window, or a portion of the screen. You'll also find tools for recording your entire screen or recording a portion of the screen. To view your customization options, click Options. Here, you'll find useful settings and features, like for setting a screenshot timer or changing your save location. Now you're ready to take your own screenshots with these handy shortcuts. For more helpful Mac tips, subscribe channel or click another video to keep watching.